Kawasudo nyakwara Ramogi wawere kod motende kod weche mag kembe mag sirikal. Wayudo ni Mbalariany mar Rongo olor apoya bang' jopuonjre ng'anyo ka gikwedo duoko mar yiero mar jotend jopuonjre. Jalup chancellor mar Rongo Ngire Samuel Gudo yango ni tend Mbalariany no neno ni koko mane ogol kod moko kuom jopuonjre mane kwedo duoko mar yiero no to ahinya e lemo mar jakom mar jopuonjre ne kidek jimbore kendo kelo lal mathoth. Tend Mbalariany no yango ni jopuonjre go dhi bedo pacho nyaka kwe bedi makare ka ibiro migi thuolo mar yepo kendo.
There was two strong candidates and another group lost to the first group that won. But soon after the election was finished, the election was peaceful, we went through, and then the counting was done, and now the winner was declared. One of the losers was not very happy, and they started to bring fracas in the counting room. Police, we had called police to come and help us make sure that law and order is there. But then one of those, the group of the losers started throwing stones at the hall, the counting hall, and the police lobbed tear gas to scatter them. And thereafter, they kept police in running battles, and we saw the temperatures were quite high. We decided to close the university because we didn't know what would happen, especially at darkness, because we saw the temperatures were very high.